Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's try out to program this part for this packet, and it's just a hard packet, right? So let's try that out. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe to the channel to get the latest notification about the game. So click on application, manufacturing, and mill planner. Okay, first thing which comes in mind, click on the geometry view, expand the MCS mill, double click and put it on this corner. Z must be upward, and you can just deal with the X and Y axis, and I will hit OK. Next, define the workpiece. This is my work path, and in the blank or in the stock I will select bounding block, select the fixed size. Okay, no additional stock. Okay, next I will add a tool, then no 6. Okay, define 6 ml and see what would be workable for me or not. Just take it 5. Okay, click on holder and retry from the library milling. Okay, and medium compensation. See, okay. Now after that I'll go for the operation, mill planner, floor and valve, NC program, select the tool, select the workpiece and mill finish. Okay, select the cut area. I'll select this floor, automatic valve tool. I just selected output. This is tool number 1. Okay, make sure you put the tool number right, and tool axis normal to first face. If you select this one as well, it will work probably. And follow path, mill finish, as I'm getting the 0 stock, and step over constant, 50% tool diameter, floor blank thickness, and depth per cut 1 mm, and I will generate. See, isometry, and I will verify it, 3D dynamic, and go. See, so hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos. Click on pause processor, select 3 axis. Okay, and this is the program. Thanks for watching.